Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Okay, we're doing... That is insane. Look at that. Gross. Oh, I'll be careful. Don't want to get this taken down again. I'm gonna remember my fucking noses. Look at that. And now I'm dropping things. Cool. Yeah, see? Oh, that's insane. I'm gonna have to wipe that off in a minute. I know some people like seeing that, but it's not good for me. I don't like it as much. I say as much. I don't like it at all. I don't mind showing it for a bit, but no. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. That came out my nose. Well, this wasn't going to be a spray video, but apparently it is. I can't keep it on there for long. It grosses me out. Oh no, that one wasn't as wet. Oh, that one was though. There you go. I've got lots of spraying videos, just I can't post them on here. I say lots, not a few. Oh my god. Fuck. That's insane. Yeah, I don't like spray, but I know lots of you do. Okay. That's crazy. Oh, I didn't catch that one. I stopped filming. I was holding that one back a bit just to take the camera back up. It was dripping, look. Look at that. Drips. I haven't had my strong antihistamines today. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wipe that off. I'm gonna sneeze. Am I? Yes, no, maybe, sort of. Oh, I am. I was a little bit wet. Okay, I think I'm done.